To avoid future payment blocks on Facebook, it's important to understand the platform's policies and best practices. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth payment experience. Step 1. Review Facebook's payment policies. Familiarize yourself with Facebook's payment policies and guidelines. Understanding what is allowed and what is not can help you avoid actions that may lead to payment blocks. Step 2. Use a verified payment method. Always use a verified payment method linked to your Facebook account. This can include credit cards or PayPal accounts that are confirmed and in good standing. Step 3. Maintain accurate account information. Ensure that your account information, including your name, address, and payment details, is accurate and up to date. Discrepancies can trigger payment blocks. Step 4. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for any unusual activity or notifications from Facebook. Address any issues promptly to prevent potential payment interruptions. Step 5. Contact Facebook support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your payment status, reach out to Facebook support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help resolve any problems. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of payment blocks on Facebook and maintain a seamless experience.